It's super important to always have contractors on deck when you go actually look at the property. We found the home on market and we saw it within 12 hours. Our contractors were with us. We were able to kind of figure out how much we would spend in rehab. Now, the reason why we picked this property is because we did look at comparative homes within the area and we identified that it was a gold mine. So now that we got it under market, we're able to kind of figure out how much we're going to spend on rehab and then be able to price it and put it right back on the market. Now, whenever you're looking at comparative homes, you're looking for what house is sold for. You're also looking for how much activity is actually in the area. And we picked this house because we could actually determine what the market would be.
Quick little tip. So we had water damage in this whole sunroom, but if you look around, you can see there's no water damage here. I mean, the insulation is a little bit wet, but there's no damage, there's no wood damage, there's no decay in the wood. But over here, and this is probably where the majority of the leak happened in this area, and you can see because everything is, excuse me y'all, everything is rotted out. This beam right here, rotted out, is broken half. This whole area right here gotta get replaced too. That's all rotted wood. But if you look down there and anywhere else, you can see there's not really no rotted wood. So this whole area gotta get replaced with new wood. All right, back to it. What's the deal, fam? We over here at the Littlefield project, and today we're gonna be doing a lot of drywall. As you can see, we got 120 sheets in here. We got about 20 green boards, which go in the bathroom and the kitchen. That's just prevent moisture and mold. And then we got about 100 sheets of drywalling that we're gonna do around this whole house. Before we tried to capture it, we tried to keep some of the old drywall, but it was like old drywall textured plaster. That's kind of outdated, not really up to date, and we trying to maximize our profits, so we got to do a little bit of work, right? So we knocked down these walls. There was a wall right here. This was actually a little bit smaller, and if you look in the kitchen, that was a wall right there as well. We're about to drywall it up, finish it up. We added some recessed lights as well. There's about 12 different recessed lights in here. We got 4, and I would call this the dining room.
Yes.
This the living room. And there's about 8 in here, and then we put 1 more in the kitchen and then 1 more at the back door entry. What else do you want to add?
I mean, I think the overall expectation was to kind of modernize it.
There you go.
We want to make sure that it's, clear entryways, and that's why D kind of made the decision to expand each entryway. You'll see that in the living room, the dining room. You also see that in the walk-in area. And then even in the nook, we wanted everything to kind of give you a visual of it just being large.